Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, my Vechain family. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing everything Vechain, what exactly is happening, and of course, what is yet to come. So, if we're looking at Vechain today, you guys can see it's down about 2.3% on the daily time frame, but let's face it, the entire market is down pretty much because Bitcoin has seen a significant pullback, but slowly but surely, market is once again turning back into the green. But what exactly is next for Vechain? That is the question that you guys might have right now. So let's take a look at Vechain right now. So as of November the 16th, you guys can see the price continues to hold above 2 cents. So 2.1 cents is the price, down about 2.4% over the past 24 hours. Market cap continuously holds above that $1.5 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $60.5 million. But why is the price not moving? That is something that I will talk about a little later into this, but I really wanted to share this with you guys. So you can see earlier, Chief Governance Officer of Vechain shared perspectives on the importance of AI and blockchain for managing building development and their energy systems at Smart Building Expo. And this is what he had to say. Thanks to blockchain technology, it is possible to immutably record the processes that go into, for example, the construction of a building, quantifying both its social and environmental impact, logging the verified origin and authenticity of materials, and allowing work to be done with the focus of sustainability and efficiency. And this is where Vechain comes into play. This is the benefit of the Vechain technology, and this is why we're seeing the likes of Walmart China and BMW. The list goes on and on that are using the Vechain Thor blockchain. Why? Because they see the flaws there are in the real world. In the real world, the flaws there are, this is where Vechain steps in and changes the game and fixes it. So, we hear the term real world use case on a continuous basis when it comes to the cryptocurrency markets. This is a perfect example where Vechain comes in and solves this. Yes, the price is not moving. I know people are sick and tired of the price not moving, but this is where the people that continuously have patience, have done their due diligence and research, are the ones that are going to be rewarded at the end when the market really moves. And let's take a look at the price, because that is what people want to see. So before we get into the price, guys, as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Speaking about Vechain not moving, this comment comes in on a daily basis. I kid you not, this comment comes on a daily basis. So let's go back on October 21st, Vechain was trading at, say, 1.6 cents. If you picked up some Vechain around there, guess what? You saw the price go up 43%. So it's definitely moving. And not only has it been moving, it has broken out and turned this massive level of resistance into support at that 1.98 cents. So that is great to see. Yes, we're not seeing those explosive moves. I know you guys are looking at the price of Solana. I know you guys are looking at the price of Matic. A lot of projects pumping like crazy, but you're looking at Vechain, it's not moving. And as I've said countless of times in my videos, if Vechain is the only coin in your portfolio, then guess what? Guess who's, making the mistake? It's yourself. You want to diversify. Just because Vechain could be revolutionary, could have a massive, massive upside, does not mean you only invest in one coin. You always want to diversify. You always want to have more than one coin in your portfolio. What I do is I put, different type of niches, and that's how I build my portfolio. I never go in just one single asset class, because guess what? There are going to be coins that outpace Vechain in times like this, but there's going to be a time where, believe it or not, there's going to be a time where Vechain outpaces these certain coins that are pumping right now. You can see market turn around in a snap of a finger. That can be for positive and both negative. And when the market heats up, things can go up really, really fast. You'd be surprised as to how many people really understand what Vechain is doing, and it's still far, far away from a breakout. look what's happening. So basically we did see, let me bring out, here you go. So you guys can see what's happening. So over the past few days, we've been pretty much trading sideways. We did see the price wick all the way down to this 1.98 cents. And you guys know the significance of this 1.98 cents. Remember, it used to be a resistance for us, but it turned into support, and you can make this up. We literally bounced off of that support line. And let's say you had some buy orders placed in around here and they got filled. You are up right now, 7.48% instantly. And that shows the significance of these lines that I have drawn. It's not because I'm bored and I'm just, randomly drawing these lines. These are important levels of resistances and support line. And of course, this is a huge level of support for Vechain right now. So, things are looking great. We do need to pay close attention to BTC. Bitcoin is looking great as well. Bitcoin closed above the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, especially above this resistance at 36K. So momentum is definitely there. We will see wicks here and there that happen due to leverage. But overall, things are looking great. And the main target still is at 2.6 cents. I know no one believes that this is going to happen, but I'm very, very confident there's going to be a time where we see Vechain breaking out to these levels. And when that happens, the people that are accumulating Vechain right now, in their portfolios are the ones that are going to be smiling. Of course, there's people that have given up on it. That happens. Not everyone wins, but the opportunity is definitely there in my personal opinion. Of course, every project is risky. Don't come and say, this is not risky, this is not risky, or that is not risky. At the end of the day, when you're investing in crypto, everything is risky, but this is where your due diligence comes into play. This is where you need to be doing your due diligence research and investing what you can afford to lose. If you've done that, then guess what? Patience is your key. And we're just starting as far as the market cycle goes. And once we break out of this resistance at 3.4 cents, that's where things get exciting, but we're still taking baby steps. But let me know down below what you guys think. Do you guys agree with this overall analysis? So far, I love the way the price got supported by this level of support. Not surprised at all, but this is where I want to hear from you guys. What are your personal thoughts on Vechain? Where do you see the price of Vechain going before the year of 2023 comes to an end? And do you think Vechain is going to shock a lot of people before the year of 2023 does come to an end? Because we've seen this quote-unquote shock happen throughout the markets. We've seen the likes of Solana literally shock a lot of people, Caspa, and a lot of other projects that are pumping like no one have probably thought they would 2 months ago. So are we about to see Vechain do that before the year comes to an end? I'm very, very confident that can happen if we're able to see the price of Vechain crack past this 2.6 cents mark. But of course, going to be taking it one step at a time. But let me know down below what you guys think, and where do you see Vechain trading at the end of the year, and of course at the peak of the bull run, which should be somewhere in 2025. Let me know down below. Some people are saying 50 cents, some are saying $1. Again, like I said, one step at a time. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. But you guys know, if you guys follow me on my channel, I'm very confident on Vechain's future, especially when you look at the tech side of things. Usability, fundamentals are there. But like I said, only time will tell. But love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX and peace.